But I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the